So the first step is to plot the y-intercept. And so the y-intercept is actually defined by this value here. So +1. And so that is actually the point in which the line will cross the y-intercept. And another way you can think about this is it's the point at which x is equal to 0. So you can plug x equals 0 into your equation and just get 1. So that point right there is 0, 1. Okay, so great. After we have plotted our y-intercept, the next step is to plot the rise of our slope. And so the rise is defined by the number in the numerator in the slope. So this is 2. So that means from our y-intercept, we're going to rise 2 units in the y direction. So the next step is to plot the run of our slope. So the run is the number in the denominator. So here it's 3. So we're actually going to run in the x direction 3 units. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. So our last step now is to plot opposite way and complete line. And by opposite way, I mean, so when we first did our line, we went up 2 and then to the right 3. So now we want to go the opposite direction. We want to go down 2 units and then left 3. And then we'll put our point. So now that we have everything, I'm just going to erase this. We can draw a line through our 3 points. And now we have successfully graphed the slope. Okay, so for the next part, I'm going to do pretty much the exact same thing, but now we have negatives. So let's go through how we would handle that. So first we will plot our y-intercept. And again, the y-intercept is this value to the right of the x. And we see that our y-intercept is at -1. And just like before, we could actually also find this by just plugging in where x is equal to 0. Like so. So we know that this is at x equals 0, y equals -1. Okay, so now that we have done that, our second step is to plot rise. So now our rise is a little different because instead of +2, it's -2. So that means instead of moving up, we're actually going to go in the negative y direction to start. So we're going to go down 2 units. Then our next step is to plot run. So here our run again is +3. So we're going to go in the positive direction of x, which is to the right. 1, 2, 3. We're going to plot our point. And then lastly, we're going to go the opposite way and complete the line. So now, since we first went down, we're going to go up 2 units. And because we went right, we're going to go left 3 units. And we're going to put our point. And now that we have our 3 points, we can complete our line. And there you have it.